Hi, very good morning to all. My name is Bhavana and our subject is BOM. In this previous video, we discuss what is a promotion and who is a promoter and what are the steps included in promotion. And now we are discussing who is a promoter and different types of the promoter. There are different types of the promoter. Promoter is one who undertakes to form a company. Promoter is one who want to start or who want to innovate new ideas for starting a business. Promoter is one who undertakes to form a company with reference to a given project and set it going. With reference to a given project, any business organization give a project to a particular person to start a new business. The person want to start a new business, and for starting a business they want to do some basic steps. They want to investigate before starting a business about the project, and they want verification. After verification they want to assembling. For that assembling they want to prepare a financial plan. These steps are all included in promotion. And who takes the necessary steps to accomplish for this purpose, and who take necessary steps ante who takes very good part in the form of the formation of the company. So we can say the person is known as promoter. Promoter is a one who undertakes to form a company. The person who undertakes to form a company with the reference to a given project, and to sell it and to set it going, and who takes necessary steps. There are some necessary steps first formation of the company to accomplish their purpose. So we can say the particular person is known as promoter. Means for screening ideas, implementing them, and assembling all these things and prepare a financial one. For all these comes under in this particular promotion. The person who takes active in all these activities, we can say the person is known as promoter. And there are the different types of promoters based on our different companies. Promoters are two different types depending upon the role of they play. They are different types depending up their role play in promotion of business. According to their role, we can say there are different types of promoters. Example, government as a promoter. In which business government acts as a promoter? India has adopted a mixed economy. India is a mixed economy, means both private and public are mixed, where there is a coexistence of public and private sector. There is a coexistence of public and private sector. A large number of business undertakings promoted by central and state government. A large number of business undertakings are promoted by central and state government. Example, ONGC, Oil, Natural Gas and Corporation. Maharashtra, some MIDC means Maharashtra Industrial, Maharashtra Industries Development Corporation and Railways, etc. Means in which company the government as act as a promoter? India has adopted mixed economy. India has adopted a mixed economy, means both public and private sector. When there is a coexistence of both public and private sector, a large number of business undertakings, means a large number of business undertakings are promoted by central and state government, that is ONGC. ONGC means Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, and Maharashtra Industries Development Corporation, Indian Railways, etc. These are all business in public sector as promoted by government. These are all promoted by the government, means the government has an idea. For this idea the government has to do investigation. After the investigation they have to assembling and they want to prepare a financial plan. So we can say in this case the government as a promoter. Because of screening of an idea and promoting of all these activities, we can say in this type of companies the government act as a promoter. Next, institutional promoters means large financial institutions like IDBI, Industrial Development Bank of India, Industrial Corp, ICICI. ICICI means Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. Large financial institutions like Industrial Development Bank of India, Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation, Small SIDBI, Small Industrial Development Bank of India, and even national banks have their merchant banking division. Merchant banking means doing activities. Large financial institutions like IDBI means Industrial Development Bank of India. ICICI means Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. SEDBI means Small Industrial Development Bank of India. And even nationalized banks like RBI, Reserve Bank of India, SBI, State Bank of India, like Canara Bank, all these are nationalized banks, have their merchant banking division. Means each bank have their separate divisions. Merchant means doing something activities. Such division provides all types of assistance for the promotion. Means every division provides their own decisions of a new business enterprise. So they also contribute towards share capital of companies and acquire a controlling share in them. So we can say these are also known as institutional promoters, those who promote their particular banks. So we can say here the government has to promote these kind of organizations. We can say there is government as a promoter. Here institutions means these are the institutions like IDBI, ICICI and SIDBI. These are the institutions. For these institutions they promote. So we can say institution as a promoter, government as a promoter, here institution as a promoter. Next, professional promoters. Who can say professional promoters? Professional promoters discovers a business opportunity. Here the professional promoters discovers a business opportunity and take up all responsibilities of exploiting it on behalf of clients. These promoters are professionally and are specialized in setting up a new enterprises. They take up the task of promotion a new enterprise on behalf of the clients. Based on our clients, for example, we can say we want to file a income tax returns, so we have to go for the experts, so we take help for them and we have to file. So in this case the income tax acts as a professional promoters. This is also professional promoter discovers a business opportunity and to take up all responsibilities of exploiting on behalf of the clients. If any one person go to one particular CA, chartered accountant, and he says I want to start a business, and the professional and chartered accountant give some advices and say all the opportunities, and they give investigation about the particular business and they give report. After this they assembling and they prepare a financial plan, but they don't want to start a business on behalf of clients. He do some research about the particular business. So we can say the particular person is a professional promoter. On behalf of his client, he has to do some steps for starting a new business. So we can say that kind of persons is known as professional promoters. Best example is we want to file a income tax returns, then we go for the income tax officer, and the income tax officer has to file our all the returns. So in this case the income tax officer act as a professional promoter, we can say like that. Next, financial promoters. Financial promoters are basically the financial institutions. Already we see they are the IDBI, SEDBI, Small Industrial Development Bank of India, ICICI, Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. We can say they are the financial promoters. Financial promoters are basically the financial institutions, investment trust, commercial banks, etc. Financial promoters provide finance to the companies as a loan or subscribe the part of share capital of a company. Financial promoters acts as a financial institutions. Financial provide finance to the companies as a loan. Financial promoters means if any business want the finance, any financial company provide the loan. So in this case we can say the financial is a promoter, the institution, the institution who provide loan to our organization. We can say there is a you can say the particular institution, you can say financial promoters. Next, occasional promoters. Occasional promoters are the promoters who take up in the work for floating a special business enterprise and manage its affairs. They promote new business venture for their own sake and not set after its formation. They are not professionals. They usually establish a small business unit by contributing their own capital. Such promoters personally look after the entire promotional work. These promoters establish small business and resist their operators to the local area. Okay, occasional promoters are that they choose the particular local area and they want to start a new business, means very small business like sole proprietor, and they have to do all the activities. They don't take any advice or from others. So we can say this type of promoters is known as occasional promoters. They choose a particular area, they want to start a small business. For the business, the persons do not want to take any help, so we can say they are the occasional promoters. Such promoters are personally look after the entire promotion work. These person only do entire promotion work. These promoters establish small business and restrict their operations to the local area. Their operations are restricted to the particular area. They want to expand the business. So we can say such a type of promoters is known as occasional promoters. Technical promoters. Technical promoters are the experts in the field of technology. We can such as engineers, architects, like those who draw a business plan, like a plan for the building, for setting up a particular kind of business unit. Such promoters are generally contains we provide the specialized services to new enterprise. In return we want to give fee or commission. We can say they are technical promoters. Technical promoters are nothing but the persons who provide technical services, who give advices to the business. So we can say they are the technical promoters. We want to pay fee or commission for type of technical promoters. How many promoters are there? Government as a promoter. Why we can say the government as a promoter? By establishing these type of companies, and they have to do some investigation, assembling and prepare a financial plan. So you can say here government acts as a promoter. Here institution acts as a promoter by taking all the activities like IDBI, ICICI and SIDBI and even nationalized banks. In professional promoters, those who give advice to their clients for starting a new business, he act as a profession. So we can say there is a professional promoter. And financial promoter, for in the sake of loan, which institution provide finance to our organization, we can say this type of institution acts as a financial promoter. And occasional promoter is restricted to the particular area. He want to start a small business, he doesn't take any advice of the third party. The restrictions, he do business only up to the restricted area. We can say this type of promoter is known as occasional promoter. And technical promoters, those technical promoters are the experts. They give advice to our business organization based on our engineer plans, architect plans, etc. For that advice we have to give fee or commission. These are the different types of promoters. Who is a promoter? Promoter is one who undertakes to form a company with the reference of given project. The person who undertakes the form of company for based on our project, we can say the particular person is known as promoter. There are different persons act as a promoter. Government as a promoter, financial institutions as a promoter, professionals as a promoter, occasional promoter, technical promoter. These are the different types. I hope you understand the lecture. If you have any doubts regarding this today's lecture, please let me know. Thank you.